Caring for your feet can be as simple as using foot scrubs. The foot exfoliators keep your feet refreshed, young and healthy, and work to remove worn-out dead skin cells on the outer layer of the skin. So we came up with 5 best foot scrubs that will provide baby soft feet instantly. Let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you have sensitive skin, the Tree Hut Exfoliating Foot Scrub is the one for you. It is made of all natural ingredients that is safe for your foot. It is made with organic shea butter that repairs your skin and promotes elasticity. The scrub is also infused with peppermint oil that moisturizes skin, and the sugar gently exfoliates your feet, removing a buildup of dead and dry skin. The added bonus of using this scrub on your feet is that they smell absolutely amazing afterwards and keeps your skin softer and smoother for longer. It is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. The reviews say it all. This foot scrub is definitely recommended by the users. It provides great exfoliation of dead skin, and the smell is favored by the most of the users. But besides all the positive feedback, few users were not satisfied. Time to check out the ratings. The PhysAssist Foot Scrub is the perfect choice for the one who is looking for something that refreshes the feet. The scrub is formulated with natural oils that moisturize dry skin and soften cellulose. It also contains peppermint, tea tree, and eucalyptus oils that refresh, relax, and revitalize feet while reducing the painful swelling after any physical activity. It suits tired feet while exfoliating the dry, rough skin and also improves the blood circulations. The PhysAssist Foot Scrub is available on Amazon with number of reviews and ratings. After going through the reviews, this affordable scrub keeps your feet feel refreshed, though many of the users were not satisfied with this scrub. Let's check out the ratings for this foot scrub. If you are looking for a gentle foot scrub that can be used regularly, the Freeman Bare Foot Exfoliating Scrub is the right choice for you. This nourishing scrub is formulated with peppermint oil and plum that helps to rejuvenate your dry, cracked feet. It also contains tea tree oil, which suits your skin and make you feel comforted and refreshed. The scrub exfoliates dry skin, and its soothing additives ensure your feet feel a deeper relief from the daily stress of regular use. It is also followed by a lovely fragrance that remains. The Freeman Bare Foot Exfoliating Scrub is from a popular brand. It is available on Amazon with a number of reviews and ratings from the users. The reviews say it all. This foot scrub works like magic, according to the users. It smells great, and it's gentle enough to use regularly. But according to some users, it doesn't exfoliate well. Let's check out the ratings for this foot scrub. Our next preferred foot scrub is from Botany Cosmeceuticals that is perfect for fungal problems. It is especially formulated with all-natural tea tree oil and essential oils that help to get rid of foot fungus and bacteria to provide smooth feet. The scrub also contains sea salt and Epsom salts that gently exfoliate to remove dull, dry surface cells. The scrub soothes and nourishes your skin while removing cellulose and odor. It is made of 100% natural ingredients and it's perfect for the one who suffers from fungal problems. The best part of this scrub is you can use it on your body as well. The Botany Cosmeceuticals Body and Foot Scrub is one of the most reviewed foot scrubs on Amazon, earned a good number of reviews and ratings from the users. According to the reviews, this highly recommended foot scrub is worth it. It works great as an anti-fungal. It also reduces the peeling, itching, heel cracking, and little blisters. But besides all the positive reviews, some users criticized that it was too greasy and the smell wasn't that great. It's time to rate this foot scrub. Peppermint is a popular brand for its moisturizing ingredients used in their products, and its foot scrub is one of our most favorite that works great for dry, rough heels. It is formulated with cocoa butter and vitamin E that helps to make your driest area of feet into soft skin and provides even and toned skin. The scrub also contains peppermint oil, which rejuvenates tired and sore feet. The unique formula of this foot scrub exfoliates the dry skin of your feet to provide moisturized, smooth skin. It provides the perfect balance of scrubbing and softening. The Peppermint's Cocoa Butter Formula Foot Magic Scrub is one of the most popular foot scrubs that earned a good number of reviews and ratings from the users. According to the reviews, it makes the feet super soft and keeps the feet moisturized. Though some users were disappointed with the scrub as they made them feel greasy. Let's check out the ratings for this foot scrub. So these are our top picks foot scrubs. If you like the video, then hit the like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know about your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.